Welcome, here I've got VIVO Y72 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so we have to change it because the leveler here is only available in the Pro mode. Let's do it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera, one of them is the Pro, so let's tap on it. Here we are. Don't be scared about all of these settings, you can use them also on auto, or I can invite you to my other film where I explain how to use all of that. Now let's focus on the center button here. Just one tap to turn on our leveler, another tap to turn it off as we need, and when we have it turned it on, we have this line at the center in the preview. This is useful when we want to be sure that we hold our device steady when we want to take straight picture. As you can see, this is how it works. When we have orange line, we get information that we hold device steady. And when we go back from the Pro to the standard photo, we don't have it. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.